Stop it. I don't want to hear that shit. Look at you, Abby. Okay, so just so you guys know, I'm the first thing this cat saw when he opened his eyes. I fed him out of a glove, and I taught him how to use the litter box, and he attacks me non-stop. Like this cat. Watch this shit. No. But I love him so much. I do. Oh, and I do. Ow. Abby, wait a minute. Abicus is trained. See, I thought it was a girl. I named it Abby. You stop it. He really won't let me walk or anything. Look at him. He's so beautiful. No. Abby, wait. No, look, we can talk about this, man. Just chill.